Water needs a container to be contained in. Water will always, I repeat, always take the easiest path of resistance. See how it's taking the easiest path of resistance? It's not splashing up at me, it's staying down and flowing into this little creek here. See that? Look at the ripples. Okay? The surface of the water, when undisturbed, will reflect like a mirror. See that? Water needs a container to be held in. Large bodies of water do not curve. And see this force of the water pushing out? Where's gravity? Wouldn't gravity keep it just flat against the wall like that? But no, it's the force of the water being pushed out. Not gravity, the force of the water. Look at that. Have a great day.